Hey everyone, Mike here from the SEO Pub. Were you ever looking at two different search terms and you're not quite sure whether or not you should create two different pages to target those search terms, or if you could do it on just one page? I'm going to share with you a free Google Sheet that I use all the time that makes it really easy to compare those two search queries and get the answer that you want. Before I do that, I want to encourage you, if you haven't already, go over to the SEOpub.com, sign up for the free email list where I email out once a week tips and strategies that I use just like this. When I look at two different search terms and I'm trying to decide whether or not to target them both on one page or on separate pages, I like to go into the search results and see how Google is handling those search terms. So for example, let's say we go to, we'll do a search. Is Angel Hernandez the worst umpire in Major League Baseball history? And we're going to take a look at the search results, and then we're also going to do who is the worst umpire in Major League Baseball history. Now, normally what I would do is I would go through these listings and compare them to get an idea, but I'm going to show you a shortcut with this sheet that I made, make this really easy. So I use SEO Minion. If you're not familiar with SEO Minion, it's a free add-on, free extension for Google Chrome. And what I want to do is you want to set it to copy, and you want all the organic URLs. Hit go. And you're going to come over to this sheet, and what you want to do is go to File, make a copy, and I'll have a link down below to the sheet so you can make your own copy of it. And you're free to use it however much you want. We're going to paste the URLs in there. Then we're going to go to the second search we did. Same thing, copy all organic URLs, hit go. That copies them to the clipboard. We come over here, do the same thing, and we paste them in. Now what you'll notice, what this does is it automatically goes through these URLs, and if any of them show up over here also, it'll highlight them. So you can see out of, now this particular search result only had 8 organic listings, but 2 of them were the same. If I see like 6, 7, 8 out of 10 the same, those are the ones that I feel comfortable saying, okay, I can go after these with the same page. In this case, this is probably not one that I would want to do that. Okay, so let's do another one. Let's say we want to do life insurance for seniors. And we'll do term life insurance for seniors. So these are pretty closely related, but not exactly the same search term. And normally, again, what I would do is I would go through here, compare the results, look at the listings. But this is a really fast shortcut for you guys that you can do this really quickly. So we paste the search results for the first one. We grab them from the second one, paste these in here. There you go. So in this case, there's 10 results, and they're exactly the same. Now they're in different order, but the same 10 listings are showing up. So this is one where I would say, okay, term life insurance for seniors, life insurance for seniors. You can easily target those with the same page. And what this sheet's doing is it's looking at exact URLs, so not the same domain. It's looking at the exact URLs. So again, this is one where it came out 10 out of 10. All right, we'll do one more example here. Let's do about scavenger hunt app and scavenger hunt app for adults. Okay, again, we're going to copy the URLs. So this is a pretty good example. Here's 7 out of the listings match up with both the search terms. So that tells me that I could easily target both these search terms with one page rather than having to create multiple pages. So again, I'll leave a link below to this sheet. You can just go to File, make your own copy. You can use it as much as you want. I recommend using SEO Minion because it lets you copy the URLs really quickly. You just copy them over, and any URL that appears in both columns will be highlighted over here. letting you really quickly evaluate how Google's handling 2 different search terms. All right, that's it for this video. Again, make sure that you sign up for the email list at the SEOpub.com. I'll see everyone in the next video.